Hello everyone, welcome to Remindax demo. In this demo, we are going to discuss how the Remindax works. We'll be quickly jumping on to setting up a new reminder. So in setting up a new reminder, you will have to basically create a new reminder, and there are four kinds of different reminders which you can create, and we are going to click over there. Once you see the expiration window, so here comes the document title, which is XYZ certification. So this is just an example, and if you have different folders, like this is a business data, this is employer data, this is all the certifications, the folders that I have made, so I can basically save those over here. And this is expiration date which I would like to give. Let's say this is going to expire in the month of April, and I would like to have a look auto renew date when it is going to renew. Does it renew after every year, every month, every week, or every day? So I can choose on the basis of the document cycles. And does it end? No, it doesn't end. Or after how many years? Let's say 1 year. So after how many 3 years, 3 renewals or 5 renewals? So these are the ones where I would like to auto renew it. And you would like to renew the same, renew as copy. So if you renew the same, basically a new document type is basically going to save. And when you renew as copy, so what is going to happen? So the existing reminders or the existing documents, this will remain in the document history, and the new will be coming up in front of you. So it will be mutually exclusive and it will be mutually inclusive. So you will be able to know, so this is the new ones, then old one will be a separate document type and the new one will be a separate document, but renew as copy will be the same and it will be renewed as a copy. And renew update expiration upon reply. So when you are going to basically, this is for the purpose of the email reminder that you have sent, and if anybody has given any kind of a comment that I have completed, so the document will automatically renew on the basis of that. Now we will be shifting on to the document type. What is the document type? So over the period, what Remindax has observed that over the past decade, there are some certain types of documents, which is the industry best practices, which most of the time they basically track those documents or what those can be. So this is basically the purpose, so that if you have different documents, you can have a look at those and you can have a custom fields added within the system. So you don't need to add further custom field every time you create a document. So, but again, there is a beauty of the system is that this system can comply to your organizational requirement instead of you complying to this system requirement. So there are different document types in front of you where you can see that there are different document types and you can have a look and you would like to choose. So yes, you can do that. But if there is any document which is not there and you would like to create a new document type, so definitely you can do that. And if you would like to delete any of the custom fields, you can do that. Or you would like to create new custom fields in the form of date or text, so you can do that as well. Now comes the reminder sequence. In the reminder sequence, we can see that we can set different duration, and these can be 7 days, weeks, or months. That is totally dependent on us when we would like to send the reminders. So if let's say I would like to send reminders for 3 weeks, 3 days, 7 days, and 10 days, that's the choice of mine. But as many reminders I would like to send, so I can set. But for the instance, I would like to send 3 reminders, and over here I would like to see it's the before expiration and there is an after expiration. So definitely there are people to whom we need to remind them, but it happens that sometimes the expiry date has passed but still they are not taking any action. So we can set the reminders after the expiration date and when the reminders should basically shoot. So that is something, the time which you can choose. And what is the email template? We will be showing you what is the email template, so you will be able to know that this is a particular email template that needs to be along the reminder, which should be any SMS, and what is the SMS that should be come out. Now we will be able to see the contacts, the recipients, and over here we have different groups. So let's say we have different default group, and we would like to send reminders to different people. And what is the email, SMS, and WhatsApp? So that's my choice if I would like to choose that. And so this is before expiration reminder that I have done, but there are some people, even if you have a hierarchy and you would like to send reminder to another set of people, let's say I have given reminders 3 days, 7 days, and 10 days before, and I would like to send reminders now 3 days, 2 days, and 1 days before to another group of people, so that in the same team they are able to know that we have given the reminders to the team and they have not taken any action or something like that. But if you would like to give reminders to similar people, but now you would like to give them reminders after the expiration date, so yes, you can choose a new set of reminders, new sequence, and here you can choose them by sending the reminders to them, and you can proceed with that. And if there are any attachments in the certifications, you can have all these documents from the drive folder. You can pick up those, or you would like to upload. So yes, you can do that as well. So we can attach the file and we just hit the save button and we're good to go with setting up a reminder on the Remindax. That's it from my side. If you have any question, you just contact the support and you can proceed to ask any question and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.